Hi, I'm Jairo for Contabo. If you manage a Linux server, you don't want to manually run tasks every day. That's where Crontab comes in. It's a built-in tool that lets you automate repetitive tasks like backups, updates, and system monitoring. Set it once and it runs automatically on schedule. Crontab follows a simple 5-field format. You specify when a task should run and what command it should execute. The commands shown on the screen are probably the most important Crontab commands that will be of use for you. Let's see some examples. You can view your scheduled tasks with this one. Or edit Crontab to add new jobs with this one. And remove all scheduled tasks with this command. For example, if you want to run a backup script every night at midnight, you could enter this command. Or restart your Apache every Sunday at 2 a.m. with this. Once set, it will run forever. Crontab is an essential tool for automating server tasks and keeping your system running smoothly without any manual work. It automates repetitive tasks, so no need to remember, saves times, and improves efficiency for its hands-free execution, and runs in the background without the need for the manual input. Now you know what Crontab is and how to use it. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.